we're going to talk about a few consonants that are very important when you speak English. Some of these sounds do not exist in Chinese, so it will be very difficult for you to learn how to pronounce these sounds. I've put a star here by all the sounds that do not exist in Chinese. You'll notice here, Z. Most of the time, a Taiwanese person pronounces the Z sound. They use this sound. Z, Z, 自己, 汉字, Z. That's incorrect. The English Z is not the same as the Chinese Z. The key difference is Z is pure elongated vibration. Z. It sounds like a 蚊子 when it comes in your ear. It does not sound like a Z sound. Z is a little closer to D and T in English, whereas Z is a stretched out vibration sound, much like S. S and Z are actually the same, except for one thing. S is 气音, S, only air, and Z is all vibration. You can feel the difference between S and Z by using your hand. S, 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 S. You'll notice when you say S, the air comes down a little bit. S, S. When you say Z, Z, there's not as much air. 当然有一点点, but not like S. Z. Okay, so remember, it is not the Z sound. It is the sound of the bug in your ear. So let's practice again, starting with S. S. Z. Again, these two sounds are the same in terms of the position of your teeth and your tongue. S, Z, S, Z, S, Z. The only difference is the vibration. Now let's practice a few minimal pairs. These words will help you understand and differentiate between the two sounds. We'll start over here with sink. Don't worry about the meaning of these words. We're only practicing the pronunciation. Sink, zinc, sink, zinc, zinc. All right, here we have sip and zip. Sip, zip, sip, zip. Here we have sap and zap. Sap, zap, sap, zap. Sip, zip, sip, zip. Sink, zinc, sink, zinc. Hopefully, if you practice those long enough, you'll be able to make a pure Z sound. Again, the Z sound is 99% vibration of your tongue right behind your teeth. Z. The S sound is 100% air. S. There's no vibration in your throat or in your tongue. One last time. S, Z, S, Z, S, Z. Sip, zip, sap, zap, sink, zinc. S, Z, S, Z, S, Z. One final reminder, when you say Z, don't say Z. Next, we're going to talk about F and V. F is a very simple sound for Chinese speakers. 吃饭. You have this sound in your language. F. V, however, does not exist in Chinese. But an easy way to learn V is by thinking about how is the F sound made. F. You use your top teeth to bite your bottom lip. F. You can feel the air. F. the air comes out this way. V has the same position. But with V, you need to bite a little harder, and you need to vibrate your lip here and your teeth. The place where your top teeth and your bottom lip meet together is where the majority of the vibration occurs. So all the sound should come from right here. Some Taiwanese people make this sound. If you were to look at them and not listen, you would think they're making the sound correctly. But what they're using is mu'in. They're making a vowel sound. Like an R, or an So to properly make the V sound, the vibration must come all the way up your throat to your lip here and your teeth. So be sure to practice this way. Notice, in going between the two, F, V, I did not change the position of my mouth. Now let's practice a few words here that have both F and V. Van, fan, van, fan. Vial, file, vial, file. Vine, fine, vine, fine. Veil, fail, veil, fail. Veer, fear, veer, fear. Vat, fat, vat, fat. So back to the original 单纯的音. If you can't make the sound, just pretend you're a motorcycle. If you can make that sound, you can make the V sound. Next, we're going to work on our TH sounds. TH can make two kinds of sounds. One is unvoiced, which means it's just a T-in, and the other is voiced. It's one of those sounds that has a lot of vibration. So here we have. Take a close look at my mouth. Some Taiwanese people, when they make this sound, their lips are too close together. That will disrupt the sound. So when you make the TH sound, first, start by practicing with E. E. Notice when you say E, your cheeks pull back like this, and you can see all your teeth. So take a look in the mirror or use your phone to 自拍. Say E. Then open your teeth just a little bit and stick your tongue out. Bite down. 用力, really bite down. Now just breathe out like this. With. Think. That is the voiceless, 无音的. If you feel the air with your hand, you'll feel that it diverges in two directions. So the air comes out here from your cheeks. Your tongue blocks the air from coming out between your teeth. Now, looks the same here. But it's all vibration. The vibration occurs right between your tongue and your teeth. If you use your hand to feel the air, you'll find there's much less air coming out because it is not a qi-in sort of sound. So let's practice a few words. We'll start with the unvoiced or voiceless th. Thick, 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 thick. Thank, 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 thought, thought, thought. All right. Remember to really bite down on your tongue. Otherwise, the sound will come out incorrectly. Now let's move to the voiced sound. This, that, these, those. This, that, these, those. This, that, these, those. Notice my lips did not touch my tongue. You should be able to see the upper and the lower teeth when you make either TH sound. This, that, these, those. Let's practice one more time, going back and forth between the two. One more close look. And one more time, reviewing our example words. Thick, thank, thought. This, that, these, those. All right. Remember to practice these every day. Now, let's practice all these sounds together. Here we have our unvoiced sounds and our voiced sounds. These are 100% 气音. These, however, only have about 1% of 气音. You want to have as little air sound as possible. It should be as much vibration as possible. Like this. Zzz. Now, 有时候麦克风会放大气音. But in real life, when you're talking to a person face to face, they should not hear 任何气音 when you speak these sounds. Z, v, v, z, v, v, all vibration. Here we have S, F, and F. S, F, S, F. Now, let's practice up and down. S, Z, S, Z. Sip, zip, sip, zip. S, Z, S, Z. F and V. Fan, van, fan, van. F, v, f, v, f, v. THs. F, v, v, v. Thigh, thy, thigh, thy. Thigh, thigh. One more time, left to right and up top to bottom. S, f, f, s, f, f. Z, v, v, z, v, v. Top to bottom. S, z, s, z, f, v, f, v, f, v, f, v. If you practice this way every day, you'll make progress very fast.